Now here let us take a pendulum. Okay, so this pendulum keeps on swinging here, oscillating. Okay, now the time period of the pendulum t, the pendulum depends upon the length, okay, and the acceleration due to gravity here. Okay, now let us derive an expression for the time period here. So the parameters that we are considering here is the length as well as the acceleration due to gravity. Okay, so to derive an expression for time period, t is equal to k into L to the power of a and gravity to the power of b. Okay, now substituting the dimensions on these things, substituting the dimension. So t is what taken as t itself, time, and k is constant here. So L in L, and acceleration due to gravity, it will be L t to the power of minus 2 to the power whole to the power of p. Okay, substituting on both sides the dimensions here. Now let us equating the power m, L and t on both the sides. So this is left hand side and this is right hand side. So let us equate the power. So let us take power of t, this time. So here it is 1, so we'll take the power is 1 over here. Okay, so 1 is equal to k is kept as constant, to the power is nothing, L to the power, there's no t here, so here t, it is there, the power is minus 2b here. There is no other words than t over here. Now let us take the power L. Okay, power of length L. So here in the left hand side it is 0, since there are no terms that depends on L. That is equal to L is over here 1, so you can write down the power A plus over here one more L, so it will be equal to B. So these things we can write down in a simpler way. B is equal to minus 1 by 2, and here okay, since this is since b is equal to minus 1 by 2, we can substitute this in this particular equation. So what we can get is a is equal to 1 by 2. A is equal to minus 1 by 2 and a is equal to 1 by 2. Now substituting this particular thing in the equation, in this equation you consider it as 1. So what do we get here is t is equal to k into L to the power of 1 by 2 and g to the power of minus 1 by 2. So we can write down this particular thing as k here, L to the power 1 by 2 and g down here to the power 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 means you can write this equation as t is equal to k root of L by g. Okay, so experimentally determine, you can find the value of k here, which will be equal to 2 pi. Okay, so this is Rayleigh's method to find, okay, the expression when there are 3 or 4 variables here.